being part of sales, working as a sales representative for 2 months, masasabi ko na it is exciting at the same time challenging. Challenging kasi you have to be consistent. You have to motivate yourself every day. You have to come to office na talagang you have a focus, na alam mo ang ginagawa mo, na alam mo kung saan ka pupunta. You have your plan early in the morning. Hindi ka katulad ng wave na bansa na lang itinos, na basta na lang binato. You are an arrow kung saan you have a specific target and kailangan ma-achieve mo yung target na yun. And being part of sales, mahirap siya talaga. But then with the help from the Lord, kakayanin mo na magpatuloy as hanggat hindi mo pa nare-reach yung pinaka-target mo in life, hanggat may vision pa na binibigay ang Lord sa'yo, hanggat hindi mo pa na a-achieve yung vision na binigay, patuloy mo lang ipakita sa sarili mo, patuloy ka lang magtiwala kay Lord, and eventually it will happen. God is listening.